दोस्तों क्वाइज सक्सेस के यूट्यूब चैनल में आप सबका स्वागत है।
Learning Objectives. After completing this module, learners will be able to define secularism, list various features of Indian secularism, explain the relationship between secularism and religion, relate between Indian and Western secularism. Secularism. Secularism is defined as the separation of religion from the state. When one religion is not given official recognition by the state at the cost of other religions, then the state is termed as a secular state. Nobody would wish to be oppressed due to their religion nor be dominated by another religion. Importance of separating religion from state. The most important aspect of secularism is its separation of religion from state power. This is necessary for a country to function as a democracy. If the majority of religious groups have access to state power, then the use of this power and financial resources to discriminate and persecute people of other religions will be easy. This oppressive rule of the majority could result in the discrimination, coercion, and at times even the killing of religious minorities. Any type of control in light of religion is violation of the fundamental rights that a democratic society guarantees to every single citizen, regardless of their religion. We have to secure the freedom of people to exit from their religion, adopt another religion, or have the flexibility to translate religious teachings differently. Indian secularism. What is Indian secularism? The Indian Constitution makes it mandatory for India to be a secular state. One religious community does not suppress another in a secular state. In a secular state, some members cannot suppress other members of the same religious community. The state cannot force any particular religion nor take away the religious freedom of individuals. The government schools cannot promote any one religion. In order to respect the sentiments of all religions and not interfere with religious practices, the state makes certain exceptions for particular religious communities. The Indian secularism works to prevent the domination. In order to prevent this religion-based exclusion and discrimination of lower castes, the Indian Constitution bans untouchability. To ensure that laws relating to equal inheritance rights are respected, the state may have to intervene in the religion-based personal laws of communities. The intervention of the state can be in the form of support. The First Amendment of the U.S. Constitution prohibits the legislature from making laws respecting an establishment of religion, or that prohibits the free exercise of religion. Examples of secularism. Ways in which Indian secularism is different from that of other countries. The U.S. secularism. The U.S. Constitution restricts the legislature from making laws respecting an establishment of religion or that prohibit the free exercise of religion. the law-making body can't announce any religion as the official religion, nor would they be able to offer inclination to one religion. In USA, the partition among state and religion implies that neither the state nor the religion can interfere in the undertakings of each other. The Indian secularism. In Indian secularism, the state can intervene in religious affairs. In Indian secularism, the state isn't entirely separate from religion. It maintains a principled separation with religion. The French secularism. France has got a policy of intervention when it feels that it is causing either law or order a problem or it is against their national interest. Example, France passed a law banning the students from wearing any conspicuous religious or political signs or symbols. Summary. Let us summarize what we have learned. Secularism refers to the separation of religion from the state. In India, government spaces are not supposed to display or promote any religion. In Indian secularism, the state can intervene in religious affairs.
दोस्तों, आपका क्वाइज सक्सेस में स्वागत है। अब बिना समझे रट्टा मारने की कोई जरूरत नहीं। हम लेकर आए हैं पढ़ाई का एक नया तरीका जहां 3D एनिमेटेड वीडियोस, AI पावर्ड टेस्ट सीरीज और ई बुक्स में MCQs और माइंड मैप्स का परफेक्ट कॉम्बिनेशन मिलता है। क्लास 8 से 10 के स्टूडेंट्स के लिए फाउंडेशन कोर्स और क्लास 11 और 12 के स्टूडेंट्स के लिए सक्सेस ब्लूप्रिंट कोर्स, ये सब IIT और IIM अलुमनी के सहयोग से तैयार किया गया है ताकि आपको मिले सबसे भरोसेमंद और रियल एग्जाम एक्सपीरियंस के साथ कॉन्फिडेंस बूस्ट। चाहे इंजीनियरिंग एंट्रेंस हो, मेडिकल एंट्रेंस हो या कोई भी कम्पिटिटिव एग्जाम, अब सक्सेस आपकी मुट्ठी में है। हजारों स्टूडेंट्स पहले ही जुड़ चुके हैं, अब आपकी बारी है। पढ़ो अपने घर से, अपने समय के अनुसार, अपनी सुविधा से। बस QR कोड स्कैन करो और क्वाइज सक्सेस मोबाइल ऐप अभी मुफ्त में डाउनलोड करो। मॉक टेस्ट्स दो, प्रैक्टिस करो और अपने मार्क्स में फर्क देखो। और हाँ, हमारे YouTube चैनल क्वाइज सक्सेस पर रोज देखो नए वीडियो कोर्सेज के लिए। चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करो और अपने दोस्तों को भी जरूर बताओ। धन्यवाद।